What are you doing, Nicholas? Uh-oh. Song's over. Play some more music. You gonna play a happy song? Should we send this video to Aunt Abby? Say hi, Aunt Abby. Say love you, Abby.
Love Abby.
Where does Abby live?
Abby lives in Chicago.
Chicago. Who lives there with her? Does Mike live in Chicago sometimes too? Do you like your guitar that Aunt Abby gave you?